Hey guys, how's it going? So we're going to do a bit of a test run here with my Axial Deadbolt. I threw on the 4 HSP Brontosaurus, AKA Redcat Volcano tires all the way around. I was only going to just throw the rear ones on just for the stability factor, but I thought, you know what? They actually look pretty good on there, and it doesn't look like I'm going to bottom out into my shell anywhere from any little twisting I've done. And I figured I need all the traction I can get right now until I can get some change for those crummy stock tires that come with these things. Already I'm seeing a big, huge improvement. Couldn't do that with the little narrow tires. Wider always helps. Let's go play in the bush. The nice thing about these tires too, guys, is they're so low profile that they're not going to suck in hardly any water at all. Now I have tried these on my Redcat RS10 before. So we all know how that worked out if you've seen that video. And these do actually raise the truck up a little bit too. I'm probably still going to need chains anyways, but if these things work out pretty good, then hey, why not? The tricky part's getting down here because this is slippery as all hell. This is usually where it rolls over. So far, so good. This is nasty. My wife's shooting the video, so we'll let her catch up with us here. Gotta get around this twig. Yeah, it's gonna keep catching me. Ah, there. Okay, time to walk across the rocks. I'd say we're definitely doing really good. God darn it, I ran into a freaking tree. Oh. Alright, we'll let my wife catch up here with the camera. Oh. Well, here's my opinion. I like them. They actually are working really, really well. So either way, I know I'm still gonna need change once we get a lot more snow. But you know what? Trying to spin it out over there, you know, I actually hit something to do it, but you know, I mean, generally this is a lot more stability than the stock tires because they're super narrow. This widens the wheelbase up quite a bit. I mean, now it is going to give some difficulty for getting into the really narrow spots because of the wider wheelbase, but you know, it's like I said, you use a truck within its limitations and design and you're fine. And even for grabbing onto these leaves and stuff, these tires, even though they're for a monster truck, they're wicked good. They're gripping nice. The truck's responding well. Where I normally flipped, which you'll see in my I got some running footage of this thing with my FPV cam, POV, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, I did that video the other day. I flipped a couple times in the same spot with these, no flipping. So it made a huge difference already, and definitely a huge difference for getting through stuff, up and down areas that those other tires really struggled for. These ones don't struggle so much. So yeah, if you're looking for a little bit more stability and a little bit more grip even, especially for this time of year, these I think these are going to work really well. So I'm definitely going to keep my hands on these tires to use as an alternate set. I'm still going to get the rip saws, I'm still going to get the other tires and the rims that I want and all that jazz, but you know what? For doing this right now, this is going to work until at least I can get some chains done up and whatnot. I'll probably even make a set of chains for these because, geez, that's nice. Anyways, guys, it was just a short run just to test it, to see how it would react, and it reacted actually better than I expected. I'm very pleased with the results. Let me know what you guys think. So, you know, as usual, you know what to do. Leave your comments and questions, and I'll do the best I can to answer them. See ya.